In today's video, I'm going to teach you boost your Microsoft Word proficiency with these hacks that streamline formatting, navigation, and automation, helping you work faster and smarter. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with selection and navigation, because getting around your document quickly saves a ton of time. To select an entire sentence in one click, hold down Ctrl on Windows, or Command on a Mac, and click anywhere in the sentence. When you're cleaning up text, delete whole words without backspacing letter by letter. Place your cursor next to the word and press Ctrl plus backspace to delete to the left, or Ctrl plus delete to remove to the right. If you've been editing all over the place, press Shift plus F5 to jump through the last 3 spots where you made changes. For longer documents, open the navigation pane by going to the View tab and checking Navigation pane. You'll see your headings, so you can jump straight to sections and even drag them to reorganize the structure. And if you need to land on a specific page, section, or line number, press Ctrl plus G to open GoTo and jump there instantly. Now for formatting and automation. Quickly toggle the case of selected text by pressing Shift plus F3 to cycle through lowercase, uppercase, and sentence case. When you're repeating the same change over and over, press F4 on Windows or Command plus Y on a Mac to repeat your last action. It's perfect for consistent formatting across your document. If things look messy, select text and press Ctrl plus spacebar to clear all manual character formatting and return to the default style. Need sample content for layout testing? Type equals lorem parenthesis p comma l parenthesis, or equals rand parenthesis p comma l parenthesis, then press enter to insert placeholder text, where p is the number of paragraphs and l is lines per paragraph. And when you paste from another source, use Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste without formatting so it matches your document seamlessly. Let's unlock some advanced tools and hidden features. Use the spike to cut multiple pieces of text and paste them all at once. Highlight text and press Ctrl plus F3 to collect it. Repeat as needed. Place your cursor where you want everything to go, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3 to paste the whole batch. When formatting gets tricky, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8, or Command plus 8 on a Mac, to show non-printing characters like paragraph marks, tabs, and spaces. For signatures, insert a scanned image, set its wrapping to behind text, and save it as an AutoText entry or connect it to a macro so you can drop it in whenever you need it. To measure clarity, enable readability statistics under File, Options, Proofing, and you'll see scores like Flesch Kincaid after a spell check. Finally, for dates and times that always stay current, go to the Insert tab, choose Date and Time, pick your format, and check Update automatically. These shortcuts will make every session in Word faster, cleaner, and more consistent. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.